In this tutorial I will show you how to add and manage document binder in application called LOV111VOL. Also to add new document binder you have to push the button here and you have to choose a name. In our case we can call it test binder. Okay, you can assign the document binder to a theme. Also on the left side here you have got a structure and with themes, and you can assign the document binder to a chosen theme. We can put some phone number here, and what is most important in the settings, you have got three possibilities. The binder can be public, private and public together. What does it mean? Also, if the binder is private, the members if they want to do something inside must send request to the owner or to owners, and only if the owners confirm, the member can be a member of the binder and have some rights to do something inside. If the document binder is public, then the member can assign to the binder without asking the owners, and that's the difference. If we have private and public document binder together, it means that you have got two binders. One of the binder is private and the second is public. Also you can make some documents of the private binder public, and the people who will have rights in the public binder, they will see the content of the binder. Okay, but we focus on the private and public binder now, and in the next tutorial I will show you the different between private and public binder together. Okay, we make a private binder maybe, and you will see that it's locked here. That means it's private, and here is unlock, also it's public. And you will see here that there are some informations about the document binder, also who is the responsible, who created the binder, and how many people are inside, what is the phone number of the number. Okay, also we can go inside, and now you will see that we can build a structure on the left side. For example, a lawyer can add a year, and put some documents on. Also maybe what is on the right side. On the right side you will see the last updated documents, attachments. If you work at team, you will see last updated documents of the team. If you work alone, because the application is free for one person, you will see only documents updated by you. You will see the history of the document. You can see who is the owner, who is the private member, and who can edit the documents here. But maybe we can put some documents into the binder. We can add a Word document as example. Also, there are three possibilities. You can add a document by drag and drop, by paste. Also, if you, for example, click with the right mouse on the file, then you can copy the file, and here you can push the button and it will be automatically added into the binder. And here is the default way. Also, if we click on it, you will see some file explorer, and we can choose a document, Word document in this case. We set it as main document. That means if you have several documents here, the document will be the primary document. Okay, the primary document means there is a star, because you can add some other documents here. For example, we can add a photo or a picture, and there is no star. Also, if you have got the star, it means if we save the document and click on the item here, the default document will be chosen. And here is the picture also. There are some, my English is not good, but we can add maybe a PDF. We add PDF. My pronunciation is bad, and if I don't use English every day, I have no opportunity to improve my English skills. But I hope you understand what I mean, what I say. Okay, also we can add a PDF now. PDF, maybe this. Yeah. Okay, and what we can do now, maybe I can show you that we can copy a PDF from here and add the PDF again. Also, we make, for example, this, and now we use this button here. Also, we copied the PDF, and now we can add the PDF this way. Okay, it's inside, you see. And exactly the same is when we copy some documents or some attachments from email client. There is an embedded email client, has got exactly the same and more features like Outlook. Okay, we have got here. We have no connection. Okay, it's no matter. Also, we can copy the picture from here, the attachment. There is a way to copy, and we can add the picture into the binder. Also, you have got advantages here. It's very, very fast, everything. You don't have to save the document, then copy, and at the end put it into the binder. exactly like before. And the picture is inside. And there are many of different types you can add. Also, for example, I can show you that we can add the total mini total commander. Mini total commander. It's container, and you can put different files in the container. It's like it's similar to SharePoint, but you have everything inside here. For example, on the right side, that's the container. You can choose the aim with the button here, also left or right. When do you want to copy or move some files? You can add some folders, but maybe we copy a picture. Okay, we have got a picture here. We can add a folder. We can rename the folder. And you can use drag and drops here. Okay, you can use drag and drops. You can I can show you how to make this. Maybe we open the folder here, clicking, then we can drag this and drop here on the blue area. Okay, if we click twice, you will see the result here. That's all. And you can use the types so many as you want in the binder. Okay, what we can do? We can do more things here. What is you can add some Excel, PowerPoint, File Explorer. Okay, File Explorer, you have to select the path to the folder. We can choose the test files path, and what you can reach using the tab. You reach that you can add the path, and if you click here, the File Explorer will be open. Also, you can remember the path here. You can start some executable files. That means you have to set the whole path into the execute files, and it will be started. What is interesting, we can add some calendar. Also here, calendar notes. Also, if you have got appointment, for example, on this day, you can write here something. Write here something. You can save. Then you can also, if you have to do something in the document, or you have appointment, no matter what, you can work here with a calendar. Okay, what we have got yet? What is interesting? There are many things that are interesting. There is a text file, there is PowerPoint, music, video. You can add videos, music. Yeah, that's I think that's all, and we can choose another document binder. And I can show you what is possible here. Also, you can add some links here, some PDF. You can add JavaScripts. You can add JavaScript, that's for advanced users who can program in this language. You can get photo, SharePoint, that's the container here. You can add opinion pool. And for example, do you like LOV111? Maybe, no, yes, and you can vote here. In this case I say yes, because I'm owner of the application. And you will see the result here. There is described how to add applications to LOV111. You can add some videos. You can work with versions. That means all documents can be signed with a version, and you can choose the version, the last version, and you can compare the versions here. Okay, how does it work? I show you. Also, you have got here versions. You have to add some versions here, and then you can choose the version on here for the document, and that's all. If you do that, you can work with versions. What you can do, you can edit the document from here. Also, you have to check this out, check the document out. Then you can edit this in Paint or here, for example. What we can do here, so, and then we have to save, we close, and now we have to push the button download again, upload document. This is download, this is upload document, and it will be refreshed, and you will see the result here. Yeah, I think that's all, and in the next tutorial I will show you how the private and public document binder works.